Hi, I'm Bryan and I'm a sales consultant at Aristocrat Mercedes-Benz in Kansas City. And today I wanted to demonstrate for you the all-new Mercedes-Benz User Experience, or MBUX for short. And it's available on the 2020 GLE SUV as well as the all-new 2020 A-Class. MBUX is a new concept in cockpit control. It allows you to use a touchscreen for the first time in a Mercedes-Benz, as well as a touchpad in the center console, the touchpad controls on the steering wheel, and a very natural interacting voice command system. So to demonstrate it, the touchscreen, as I mentioned for the first time, you can swipe to go to different stations. You can, by pressing the home screen, show the different categories and controls that you can operate from the touchscreen. Vehicle settings, for example. You can also use the touchpad in the center console to accomplish the same thing. By touching the home screen, I'll bring up the different categories that I can control. You can hear that it has a tactile feel as well as an audible feedback, which you can change. Also on the steering wheel, by pressing the home button, you bring up the different categories. With the black touchpad, I can slide back and forth. Once I select what I want, I can tap down to go into that setting. The new voice control system with language understanding makes it very easy to speak in a natural speaking manner to operate the systems. For example, to activate the system, I say, "Hey Mercedes,
how can I help you?
I would like to go to 1212 Main Street, Kansas City." Line 1.
The route is being calculated.
"Hey Mercedes,
how can I help you?
Cancel navigation."
Route guidance canceled.
"Hey Mercedes,
how can I help you?
turn on my heated seat."
I'm switching on the seat heating.
"Hey Mercedes,
how can I help you?
turn off my heated seat."
I'm switching off the seat heating.
"Hey Mercedes,
how can I help you?
go to 105.1. "Hey Mercedes,
how can I help you?
turn on the ambient lighting."
I'm turning on the ambient light.
"Hey Mercedes,
how can I help you?
turn off the ambient light."
I'm turning off the ambient light.
"Hey Mercedes,
how can I help you?
I'm cold."
I'm setting the temperature to 74 degrees.
"Hey Mercedes,
how can I help you?
I'm hot."
I'm setting the temperature to 72 degrees.
So part of the voice recognition is it has artificial intelligence. So the more that you use the voice control, the easier it will be, the more it will understand, the more it will fine-tune itself to your speaking manner. And that is an overview of the all-new MBUX system in the 2020 GLE SUV. Thank you.